Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So I will show you the technique how to answer this one. We have cosine x equal to cosine x over sine x. Cosecant of x equal to 1 over sine x. And now we need to change this one. So you go about cosine x to the power of 3x. This one you got about sine x to the power of 3. This one we got about the square root of 1 over sine x. So because that's 1 divide 1 over the square root of sine x. So we put about the square root of sine x in here. And we got about sine x to the power of 1 over 2. Next, cosine x to the power of 3, we can put about cosine x multiplied with cosine x square. Next, we have cosine x square plus sine x square equal to number 1. So we got about cosine x square equal to 1 minus sine x square. This one we change in here. And now we can use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to sine x, du equal to cosine x dx. So we change u square in here. This is about u to the power of 3. Cosine x dx we change for du. Now we have u to the power of 1 over 2 and u to the power of 3. We simplify and you got about u to the power of 5 over 2. Next, 1 divide u to the power of 5 over 2. You will get about u to the power of negative 5 over 2. U square divide to u to the power of 5 over 2. You will get about u to the power of negative 1 over 2 du. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of u to the power of negative 5 over 2. You will go about u to the power of negative 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 plus 1. So this one you got about u to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1. And we will about c is about constant. So this one you got about 3 over 2. This one you got about 3 over 2. This one you got about 1 over 2 in the positive. So this one you got about the square root 2 multiplied with the square root of number of u. This one you got about negative number 2 over 3. And now about u we need to change back for sine x. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.